Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mad Monday. Today we're going to talk about print speed. So for some people it's important that the print goes fairly fast to be more economical. And firstly, I would like to talk about how the print time is actually set up. So you have basically three parts that account for your print time and therefore your print speed. The first is the purging and preheating phase at the beginning of the build job. So when you put inert gas into your machine and when you preheat your build plate. Then you have the actual laser emission time, so when the laser is scanning each layer. And then you have secondary times like recoating times whenever the laser is off but the print is still not finished. And in future episodes we will dig deeper into all of these, and of course the biggest chance you get on improving your build speed is by changing your build parameters regarding the laser scanning strategy, or for example, laser height, power, or hatch distance. And we'll tell you more about this in one of the future episodes. I'm looking forward to that. See you guys next week.